Ordering a new playtest is a simple operation, which can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's show you how in this PlaytestCloud tutorial. After you log into your account, if your account has permission to place playtest orders, you can do so by clicking the new playtest button at the top of the page. Once you're inside, you will need to choose the playtest type you would like to run. You can choose anything from playtest, surveys, concept test, or even create your own custom test by clicking on that special request button. If you're not sure which test type to run, watch our product videos on our YouTube channel for more information. For this tutorial, we'll place a single session order. To begin, you will need to let us know if this is a completely new game that you will be testing or a new version of a previously tested game. This way, we can file it with the other playtests of the same game to help keep your account organized, and by testing a new version, we'll automatically exclude people who have tested this game before. Next, you'll need to share your game with us. PlaytestCloud works with iOS and Android games. For Android, you can select your APK or AAB file and upload it by dragging and dropping it into this section on the order form. For iOS, share your game through TestFlight or the App Store. If you have a link to an App Store page on either Google Play or the Apple App Store, you can simply paste that link in the box provided and click Submit. Now, if you would like to test a mobile browser game or a prototype from a prototyping tool, all we need is a link and an indication if this should be tested on iOS or Android. Next, you will need to configure the specifics of your playtest. So, let us know how many players you would like to play and how long you would like these players to play. If you choose to specify a target audience, you can do so by letting us know the nationality, age range, gender, gamer type, and gaming history. You can also choose between testing with teens and adults or kids between ages 3 and 15, just right up here. Or you can even design your own target audience by making a request at the bottom of the box. Now, these features can vary depending on the subscription plan you have. You will next need to choose if you want to add a survey after the playtest, or if you need to give a custom briefing for the players before they playtest. Both of these are optional. If you would like to run a multiplayer test, which all the players play at the same time, that option can be found here. Lastly, if you have any other special requests, let us know at the bottom of the page. Click on the green button to review your order, and then, in most cases, you will receive your results within 48 hours. Happy playtesting!